From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is Wake Up Weather.
Fred Gossage here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center on this Monday morning with your Wake Up Weather forecast. We're going to focus on the winter storm situation that we have for today. During the 7 a.m. show, I'll show you the 7-day forecast of what we have ahead for the week here across the Tennessee Valley. Winter storm warning continues for all of our viewing area, all the counties here in pink. That runs through 6 a.m. on our Tuesday morning. Newly issued for western Tennessee and north Mississippi here, the kind of cyan color, that's a wind chill advisory that goes until noon on Tuesday for wind chill values getting near and below zero. And I do think they're going to have to expand that across our area as we work through the next 24 hours. I also think they're going to have to extend that in time through Tuesday, probably at least into the first half of Wednesdays. We'll be even colder Tuesday night and Wednesday morning than what we will be tonight into Tuesday morning. So a lot to talk about here across Tennessee Valley. Temperatures as of the pre-dawn hours this morning, upper teens to lower 20s here from about Highway 72 northward, mid-20s deep into northwest Alabama. Widespread hazardous travel from the evening and overnight continues this morning, and we have more snow on the way, which is going to exacerbate the situation. Road temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s across the region means that what's out there isn't really going anywhere, and then the snow picks up here over the next few hours. Satellite and radar composite from the overnight shows the evening heavy snow band is kind of lifted north. That was expected by the high resolution models that were handling everything most accurately, but now you see heavy snow picking back up over North Mississippi, back into southern Arkansas. That is ahead of an upper level disturbance now moving out of New Mexico into Texas and Oklahoma toward Arkansas and the Tennessee Valley. That will rapidly ramp up the snow intensity a little later this morning, heading into the afternoon. Here are our latest thoughts for snow accumulation, and we may be expanding some of this before the 5 a.m. live updates that we'll start doing. All of southern middle Tennessee here, down through Lauderdale County, most of it at least down to Florence, down the Cherokee in western areas of Colbert County, back into the northern half of Tishomingo County, at least 4 to 6 inches of snow accumulation, counting what happened last night in addition to what's coming today. There could be some isolated higher totals than that anywhere in here, and we may be expanding this even higher area across the region. In this darker purple, because there's already been some spots 3-4 inches in portions of here, this is the area I'm currently most confident in 5 to 8 inch snow accumulations with isolated higher totals. However, we may be expanding that across more of the area as we go forward here through the next hour or two as we assess more data. In addition, south of the Tennessee River today, sleet and freezing rain concerns continue. 1/10 of an inch to 1/3 of an inch of sleet and freezing rain south of the Tennessee River, in addition to light snow mixing in. But north of there is where the heavier snow will be. Snow will start picking back up as we head through the morning, late morning, midday into the afternoon. That's where it gets really heavy, and probably the heaviest snow rates we've seen with this system so far. Late afternoon, it starts tapering off from west to east in the flurries and light snow showers. Clouds start breaking up in the overnight, and that allows us to drop into the single digits by morning here on our Tuesday, and we may struggle to get out of the upper teens for daytime highs on our Tuesday. So winter storm impacts across the area, high impact from snow accumulation in that heavy band, 4 to as much as 8 inches of final total snow accumulation, not just from today, but what also happened last night. Isolated heavier totals are possible. Some sleet and freezing rain near and south of the Tennessee River, especially south of the Tennessee River. Significant travel impacts are likely, not just today, but this is going to continue on into midweek before we really are able to thaw out the roads. Isolated, short-lived type power outages continue to be possible in that heavy snow areas, especially as it adds up later morning to the afternoon. Again, a winter storm warning in place for all of the coverage area until 6 a.m. Tuesday. We'll be here with top of the hour updates live on all social media and channel platforms starting at 5 a.m. and we'll have the 7-day forecast with weather today coming up at 7 o'clock.